Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Versatile Richa. In this video, I'm gonna share our personal experience of H1B visa extension interview. Before we start, let me explain our situation briefly. My husband had already consumed his 3 years of H1B visa and it was a time for extension. At the time of extension, we were in the United States and we got our petition approved for next 3 years. We didn't get chance to travel to India within 1 year after the approval of petition. So, we had to appear for interview in person. So, let's look at the questions. Consulate started with, "Are you aware of your employment rights in the United States?" His answer was yes. Next question was, "Who is your employer?" He mentioned his employer's name and also the client's name he is working for. In continuation, she asked, "What does the client do?" So he briefly told about the kind of business the customer is into and a very little about their product portfolio. Consulate asked his annual package in United States and he answered accordingly. So just mention your annual package. Next question was, "How long have you been in the United States?" So mention the duration. In case main applicant is married, consulate generally asks couple of questions to the dependents just to cross verify. So her question to me was, "Do you work?" I said no, and I also mentioned that my visa status doesn't allow me to work in United States. I have a kid, so consulate asked me, "What is the age of your son and does he go to school?" I mentioned his age and school status. On the lighter side, consulate directly asked my son, "What is the name of your school?" He mentioned his school name. She gave him a big smile and so did he. After this, she came back to main applicant and her next question was, "What is the duration of project?" He told the expected project duration and also mentioned that it can be extended. Finally, consulate wrapped up the interview by asking, "What is the project and your role?" So he answered her accordingly. The one of the most important thing, don't deviate from the role and responsibilities that are already mentioned in the petition. Eventually, our visas were approved. Here are few suggestions that you can consider while going for interview. Be confident and relaxed at the time of interview. Listen consulate carefully as they speak through the mic. Don't rush through your answers. Don't make any false statement as they have the whole history on their screens. Better you dress formally as it leaves a better impression. Last but not the least, organizing documents is imperative. So, in case consulate asks for any document, so it's easy for you to find out the required document quickly. I personally recommend to use sticky notes to segregate your documents. We had our visa interview date just 2 days before our return date. So we requested the consulate for the next day passport collection. she was generous enough to ensure us that we will get the notification for passport collection by tomorrow. I hope this video gonna help you to prepare well for your visa interview. Please check out more visa related videos on my channel, and I'm also sharing the links in the description box. Please do share and subscribe my channel for more notifications. Till the time, be versatile and stay safe. Bye bye and take care.